So it's a puzzle from reasoning. Okay. So our first problem is the screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So our first problem is based on the alphanumerical sequencing puzzle. And here is the series they given to you. You can see that series, a long series of mixed of alphabet and numerical. So our first problem is the which of the following is the 12th to the left of the 20th from the left end of the above arrangement. So can you say that? What will be the answer? Which of the following is the 12th to the left of the 20th? So what is the 20th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. T is the 20th term. And which of the following is the 12th to the left? Means 12th term from the T, from its left hand side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer is
option A.
Option A. Next, how many such numbers are there in the above arrangements, each of which is immediately preceded by a constant and also immediately followed by a symbol? So here is the series. The question said that how many such numbers are there in the above arrangements, each of the which is immediately preceded by a constant and also immediately followed by a symbol. Immediately preceded by a constant and followed by a symbol. So immediately preceded by a constant and followed by a symbol. So here is the term that is followed by a symbol. Here it is not also. It is the H. H is the term which is followed by a symbol and immediately preceded by a constant. And again, W is the term which is followed by a symbol and immediately preceded by a constant. K is the term which is followed by a symbol and immediately preceded by a constant. And there is the remaining term, I think. It's not. So there is only terms. So our option will be D. Just note down this series in your copy. Note down this series in your copy so that you can solve this problem very easily. B hashtag A R58 E percentage MF 4J 1U @H2 C nine TI6 *W 3P hashtag K7 $Y7. So now let's move our next problem. If all the numbers in the above arrangements are dropped, which of the following will be the 11th from the right end? So we'll drop the number, then we'll write the series first. If we drop all the numbers, so the series will be so if we dropped all the numbers, then our series will be like this. So what is the question? If all the numbers in above arrangements are dropped, which of the following will be the 11th from the right end? So 11th from the right end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This will be our answer. So our option answer will be none of these. Next, 4 of the following are alike in a certain way based on their position in the above arrangements, and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? So first, are alike in certain way based on their position in the above arrangement. So which of the 4 are the alike? So here we can see that A and R, they are alike. 5, 8 alike. 2 are numbers. MF alike. Again, TI alike. And YS are the alike. And nothing is remaining alike. So the question is, 4 of the following are alike in the certain way based on their position in the above arrangement and form a group. Which one that does not belong to that group? So just write down it. Actually, they are giving you the option. So one option is, first one is just a minute, guys. Just allow me to write down this series in that page so that we can solve this problem easily. So our series is B hashtag AR58. Four J 1. Next U H 2 9 T I 6 3 P K 7 Y and S. This is the whole series. So here is the first term is 1@4. Is there 1@ and 4 other sequential? No. Another is CTH. Next WP6. It is not also in the term. And another is ret 7-3. And another is 9-2-1. We have to check this problem letter. Okay, so now I'm moving into the next problem and we'll check this problem letter. So next question is this is the question are based on the following letter, number, symbol, arrangement. Study it carefully and answer the question that follow. Here is the series they given. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. On this basis of their positions in the above arrangement, and so form a group which is the one that does not belong to that group. So here we can see that is the group $9F. So it is not. Next, it is also in the group. Next, 8PU. It is also in the group. Next, hashtag B4. It is also in a group. Next, 3BJ. It is also in the group. So here we can see that among $9 and F, dollar is the first they are put it, then 9, then F. Next, R is also putted first between 6R and percentage. Next, between 8P and U, 8 is also putted first. Then 8PU, they write it in this way. Next, B hashtag 4, hashtag is also the middle term. Middle term also putted before B. So the group is hashtag B4. And next, 3BJ, the last term. But this is the series that J3B. So if we put 3 in front of J, so it will be 3JB. But it is not matching with E. So our answer will be E. It is not belong to the group. Clear? Is it clear?
मैम इसमें जी 5 इन्होंने मेंशन किया 5 अलाइक ग्रुप, वो बता दीजिए एक बार कौन कौन से हैं दोबारा से.
4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way. 5 are alike in a certain way means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are talking about this in a certain way on this basis of their positions in the above arrangement. So if we follow the options, here is the five options, and according to these options, we have to find out this 5 group. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, if all the symbols are removed from the above arrangements, which element will be third to the left of 13th from the left? So just write down the series first, because the series is, we have to move to the next page. If all the symbols are removed from the above arrangements, so just remove all the symbols. So if we remove all the symbols, series will be 5DGE 7 9 F 1 6 R L I A J 3 B 4 K P 8 U M 2. So our question is, removed all the symbols from the above arrangement, which element will be third to the left? Third to the left of 13th from the left. So 13th from the left means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. A is the 13th term. And they are asked about the third to the left. Third to the left of the 13. So third to the left is 1, 2, 3. R is the third to the left. So our answer will be B. Next, which element will be fifth to the right of 19th? Ninth. Which element will be fifth to the right of 9th from the right end? Right end if all the numbers are removed from the above arrangement. So if we remove the numbers now, so our series will be just remove the numbers. So our series we just write the series 5, sorry, DGE F R L A J, B, K, P, U, M. So just check it again. It is 7. Yes, it is. It's so. If they are asked which element will be the fifth to the right of ninth from the right end. Ninth from the right end means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is the ninth term from the right end, and fifth to the right of the ninth. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. K. So our answer is K. Option A. Next, how many such numbers are there in the above arrangements? Each of which is immediately followed by a consonant, but not immediately preceded by a vowel. How many such numbers are there in the above arrangements? Each of which is immediately followed by a consonant, but not immediately preceded by a vowel. So immediately followed by a consonant. So immediately followed by a consonant. But not immediately followed by the vowel. So immediately not followed by the vowel is the term followed by consonant, not immediately preceded by vowel. So D is the term immediately followed by the consonant, but not immediately preceded by the vowel. Next constant, that is R. R is the constant, is immediately followed by constant and not immediately preceded by vowel. Next term is B, followed by constant and not preceded by vowel. Next U is the term, though U itself is a vowel. So we will consider U also. So U is followed by the constant 8 and not really preceded by the vowel. So there is no other remaining term. So there is total number of term is 4. So our option will be E. Next, this question are based on the following letter, number, symbols, arrangement. Study it carefully and answer the questions. So here is the series. How many such numbers are there in the above arrangements, each of which is immediately preceded by a constant, but not immediately followed by a vowel? So immediately preceded by a constant, but not immediately followed by a vowel. So immediately preceded by a constant, so here is immediately preceded by a constant, that is M, immediately preceded by a constant but not immediately followed by the vowel. Next, they are asking about how many such numbers. How many such numbers are there in the above arrangements? So we have to find out the numbers only, not the letters. So here seven is not also the answer. So but not immediately followed by vowel. So here 9 is the term. Which is immediately preceded by consonant and not immediately followed by the vowel. Next term is
It's more than 3.
how?
Because ma'am, immediately preceded by consonant, but not immediately followed by vowel. So in that K5V, 5 is also
So
the number. Okay, and
yes,
after that,
immediately preceded by the okay. Yes.
okay, and
Not
after
the
that,
consonant. Immediately followed by the consonant. So
then
immediately
after
followed by
that,
the consonant is the
V1W and W3H, then H4,
yes.
5. So more than 3.
So yes, immediately followed by the consonant is 9 is the term and not followed by the vowel. So immediately followed by the consonant is again 3, again 4, again 8, and again 6 also. So here is the 5 and 5 is also the numbers which is immediately followed by the consonant, not followed by the preceded by the consonant and not followed by the vowel. So in this way we can find total number of numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be more than 3. Yes. Next, which element will be 8 to the left of 17th from the left end? Which element will be 8 to the left of the 17th from the left end? So series is our 17th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So V is our 17th term and 8th from the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. M. So our answer will be M. Option A will be the right answer. Next, which element will be 6th to the right of 19th from the right end? So what is the 19th term from the right end? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. He is the 19th term. And they ask about the 6th to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. V. So our answer is V. Option C. Next, 4 of the following are alike in a certain way based on their positions in the above arrangements and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? Based on the position. So, what is our series? So, our series is R, D, A, K, 5, V, I, 2, M, J, E, N, 9, 7, U, Z, V, 1, W, 3, H, 4, F, Y, 8, P, 6, T, G. So 4 of the following are alike in a certain way based on their positions above the arrangements. So E9J. Is E9J are the sequential? No. E9J is not sequential. So I think option A will be, though we'll check the next option also. J1U. So here they are arranging this series. So it is the method that is manner is they are considering this fourth term and they are eliminating this third one. And again J1U.
Option E.
Just let it check. They are eliminating this. Next HF3. This HF3, they are eliminating 4 and Y48. Y48. So they are considering this 4, Y4, Y4. Y48, and here they are eliminating this F. So it is not in the group, I think. And again B2K. B2K, we find that yes, there is no other term related to the B2K. There is no term, there is only 2 is present and B is also absent from the whole series and K is also absent from the whole series. No, K is also present, but it is not followed this series anyhow. So option E will be the right answer. Is it clear? Is there any term with B? B is not present. So the option E doesn't follow the any series. So though we can see that J, E, N, if we eliminating this 9, then there is the series that is J, E9. And if we eliminating V, then there is the series UJ1. And within the fourth term, and there is also among 3H 4F, if we eliminate 4, we get the third series 3HF, and if we eliminate the 4, we get the fourth series, that is Y48. But there is no similarity between B2K because B is absent from the whole series. So option E will be the right answer. Next, these questions are based on the following letters and numbers. So here is the series they given you. Which element will be 7th to the right of 18th from the right end? So what is the 18th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 9 is the 18th term. And there will be the 7th to the right. 7th to the right means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. F. So our answer is none of these. Is it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 is the term. 7th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This F will be the answer. Next, if the order of the last 15 element is reversed, which of the following will be the 5th to the right of the 12th from the left? If the order of the last 15 element is reversed. So write the last 15 element in reverse way. But what is our last 15 element? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So up to 3 from the end, it is the 15. So the series will be, if we write it in reverse way, so we are just write in reverse way from 3. So our series will be like this. And the question is, if the order of the last 15 element is reversed, which of the following will be the 5th to the right of the 12th from the left end? Fifth to the right of the 12th from the left end. So we'll counting the 12th term from the left end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And right, and fifth to the right. So fifth to the right means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. So our answer will be 3. Option C will be the right answer. Is it clear? From the left end. So we'll consider the 12th term from the left end. Then we'll count the 5th term of this 12th term. So if you will be the 12th term, so up to its let's write the 5th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. So option C will be the right answer. Next, 4 of the following are alike in a certain way based on their positions in the above arrangement and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? So just write down the series W1R So this is our series. 4 of the following are alike in a certain way based on their positions. So our first option is RW4.
Ma'am, option D.
Okay, let's check RW4. So we are considering up to this a series. Okay, RW4. In this RW4 are present and 5FG. 5FG we are considering this 5FG. Next 9QA. 9QA. So this is the another group 9QA. Next 3B. $. So it is the group. Next, 7ET. 7ET. So it is the group. So they are arranging this WR4. If we eliminate one and this, then series will be WR4, and they write it in this way, RW4. So eliminate this from this group. So it will be E7T, but they write it that is 7ET. That is second term is coming to the front of first term. Next is BH3A$. So eliminate this. So B3, and they are writing it like 3B$. So it is also matched. Next, if we consider this group A$9FQ and eliminate this second and fourth term, so it will be A9Q. And if we arrange this, if we put this 9 in front of A, the series will be 9AQ. Next, among FQ5DJ, eliminate second and fourth term, so series will be F5G. And if we put 5 in front of F, so 5FG. So here is only this is not matching the series, because if we arrange according to this manner, so our series will be 9AQ, but it is not matched. So option C will be the right answer. Yes, option C is the right answer. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next, if the position of E and A are interchanged, and similarly the position of A and U are interchanged, then how many symbols will be there, each of which is either preceded or followed by a vowel? And similarly, the position of R and U are interchanged, then how many symbols will be there? So just interchange the position, just write down the series. It will be more helpful. Series is four JE 7 MPU I 9 B H 3 A 9 F Q 5 D G 6 U S P. So if we interchange the position of E and A, so where is E? E is here, A is, where is A? A is here. So we will interchange these positions. And where is R? R is R is here and U is here. So we will interchange these positions. So what will be the series? U 4 J A 7 M T R I 9 B H 3 E 9 F Q 5 D G 6 U S P. And they are asked that how many symbols will be there if each of which either preceded or followed by a vowel. Either preceded or followed by a vowel. How many symbols? This is the symbols preceded by a vowel. Next, this is the symbol preceded by a vowel. This is the symbol preceded by a vowel. And no other symbol is preceded by a vowel. And there is no other symbol also
there is
present.
the E hash, I think. That hash is preceded by E.
Hash. Where is hash? Hash is preceded by A. Because you are interchanging the position, na? A, D.
Oh, okay.
So hash
Yeah,
is preceded by A.
got it, ma'am.
So guys, you can see here that there is only the symbol is also, there is only symbol is present in this whole series. So they are just confusing this question. Okay, there is only the 3 symbols in the whole series. So from this you just if we do the back calculations and put R U in place of R and put A in place of E and put E in place of A, then you will get the answer. So it will be the shortcut way. So our answer will be 3, option D. Next, how many such numbers are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a symbol but not immediately followed by a letter? Above arrangement, each of which immediately preceded by a symbol but not immediately followed by a letter. How many such numbers? So how many such numbers in the whole series? So how many numbers in the whole series? That is 1, 4, 7, 9, 1, 4, 7, 9, 3, 9, 5, 6. This is 1 and 3. So they ask that how many such numbers are there in the above arrangement which is immediately preceded by a symbol but not immediately followed by a letter. So immediately preceded by a symbol, immediately preceded by a symbol is 4 is, but not immediately followed by a letter. Immediately preceded by a symbol but not immediately followed by a letter. Letter or vowel, they are not immediately followed by a letter. So there is no such terms we can find that is immediately preceded by a symbol but not immediately followed by a letter. So there is no such term. So option A will be the right answer. That they are giving you the option. Just let me check again this. Immediately, if we consider one, it is not immediately followed by the letter. It is followed by the number but preceded by the letter. So it is also not the correct option. So option A will be the right answer. Option A. So guys, there is one problem that we skipped. So let's try it again. Four of the following five are alike in a certain way. We skip that problem, na? Number 5. Four of the following are alike in a certain way on the basis of their positions in the above arrangement, so form a group, and which one that does not belong to the group. So if we consider that is, we skipped one problem. Is that 4? No, we skipped the number 4. This was the problem. Four of the following are alike in a certain way based on their positions in the above arrangement and so form a group, and which is the one that does not belong to that group. So this is our series. So if we find that is 1@4, where is the group? This is the group. Next group is ETH. So this is the group. Next WP6. WP6. Next #73. So this is the group 773. Next 92I. Where is 92I? So this is the group. So they are arranging. So if we just eliminate the second and fourth term in similar way, that is 4, 1 at the rate, but they put 1. Okay, just write first all the groups. So if we eliminate second and fourth term from this group, so you will get H, T. Next, from this group, if we eliminate this 2, we will get 2, 9, I. From this group, we will get 6, W, P. Just eliminate second and fourth term. And from this group, we will get 3, hashtag 7. So they are arranging this series in this way. First, they write down the second term, then third term, then first term. So again, second term, third term, and first term. Second term, third term, first term. Second term, third term, first term. Second term, third term, first term. So WP6 also matched. Hashtag 7, it's also matched. It is also matched, and it is also matched. But only option E doesn't match. So option E will be the right answer. So guys, in our next class, we will solve the remaining problems. And today I am ending this class.